In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove app names from the home screen on an iPhone running iOS 18. This new feature allows you to customize your home screen by hiding the names of your apps, giving it a cleaner and more minimalist look. To get started, tap and hold an empty space on your home screen until the app icons start to jiggle. Then tap Edit at the top left corner of the screen. And then select Customize. Now you'll see two tabs at the bottom: Small and Large. To remove the app name from the home screen of your iPhone, simply select Large. This will make your app icons a bit larger and also remove the app icon names. To save changes, simply tap on the home screen. Whether you prefer a minimalist aesthetic or just want to change from the traditional layout, customizing your home screen in this way is a quick and effective way to make your device feel more personalized to you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.